My name is Eddie Kubiangha. Ultimately, I work in construction as a health and safety manager, but then I also double up for my wife's company, Rachel Carey, which is Oasis Services Australia, as a compliance manager. I wanted to get more insight to the NDIS industry, and I heard so many good things about Rachel, particularly about her drive and all the people that she's mentored. It was such an amazing opportunity to get to meet her, get to hear her speak, and also to learn a lot from what's going on in industry, especially with the recent recommendations that have happened. I've taken so much away from it. It has been very impactful. My expectations have been exceeded in terms of being empowered to, one, be able to strategize, have some goals, have some habits that you can take on board and practice. I don't think you can just get that off reading a book. I think the workshop has been very impactful, so I'll be going back to the business to implement some of those things, and I look forward to being here again to learn more. It's something that you don't want to miss. It's so impactful, and you get to meet with people that you can rub minds with, understand what other people are going through in the industry. It's so much to take away. In a nutshell, it has been valuable, value add that you can easily add to your business and your time, and definitely works for me. I'm sure it'll work for you too.